Dealing with system crashes and the unconfined security risk on Fedora can be incredibly frustrating. After facing these exact problems myself and spending significant time finding reliable solutions, I've gathered multiple effective methods to restore your system's health, and I'm eager to share them with you right now. This video will show you exactly how to fix system crash and Unconfined U security risk on Fedora. First, updating your system is crucial because it ensures all software components have the latest bug fixes and security patches. Older versions often contain vulnerabilities or stability issues that directly cause crashes. This method refreshes the core system, making it much more robust and less likely to fail unexpectedly. Second, restoring SELinux context is vital. SELinux enforces security by labeling files and processes. An Unconfined U risk often means a file or process has the wrong label, granting it too much power. Restoring context forces the system to relabel everything correctly, bringing it back into line with security rules and preventing unauthorized actions that could lead to system instability. Third, troubleshooting SELinux involves understanding why it blocks certain actions. When SELinux denies a legitimate operation, it logs an access denied message. Specialized tools help translate these complex messages into clear explanations, suggesting specific policy changes. This allows you to fine-tune SELinux to permit necessary operations without compromising overall security, stopping legitimate applications from causing crashes due to permission issues. Finally, system log analysis is indispensable. Your system keeps detailed records of everything that happens. When a crash occurs, these logs record the events leading up to it. By carefully examining these logs, you can pinpoint the exact software or hardware component that failed. This diagnostic step is essential for understanding the root cause, allowing you to target the specific problem with a precise solution rather than guessing